Welcome to Lake.com, where every booking is a step towards creating unforgettable experiences for your guests. I'm David, the founder and CEO. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through managing bookings efficiently, ensuring every guest stay is memorable from that initial reservation to the fond farewell. Hosting on Lake.com is simple, from viewing bookings by status to personalizing guest interactions, so let's dive in. The booking section of your account is where you'll want to start after you've created your first listing. You can access bookings from your dashboard or the main navigation at the top of the page on the web application, or you can use the icons on the mobile phone. Here, you'll see an overview of all of the reservations, neatly organized by their type and current status. First, it's important to know that there's two types of bookings: instant bookings and booking requests. Instant bookings are when a guest picks a date that are available on your calendar and makes payment in advance to place their reservation. Once that payment's processed, the booking is confirmed. All of this happens instantly. You can still do guest verification or any other pre-arrival work at any time. However, the booking is confirmed for the guest's peace of mind. The other way bookings are made are booking requests. When a guest submits a booking request, the reservation request is automatically forwarded to you, and you have 24 hours to accept or decline the request. During this period, the reservation status will be marked as pending. You can set up whether your listings are instant bookings or booking requests in your account, but by default, they're all instant bookings. Bookings are categorized for easy management by status: pending, confirmed, and completed. As I said, instant bookings are automatically confirmed once that payment is processed. Booking requests go into pending status until you've either accepted or declined the request, and once accepted, a booking request gets updated to confirmed. Finally, the stay is completed after the guest is checked out. You'll see a completed status. These statuses help you stay on top of your hosting duties, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Within each booking, though, you'll find a suite of actions at your fingertips as well. Whether it's updating details, handling changes, or canceling a reservation, handling any situation has never been easier. Filters are going to be your best friend for quick access to specific bookings. Filter by date, status, or guest name to find exactly what you're looking for, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Clicking into a booking reveals a world of details, from guest information such as their name, their phone number, and reservation specifics like the all-important booking number. Check-in and check-out dates are there as well, and a personalized message if the guest left you one, plus much more. Everything you need to ensure a smooth stay for your guests is right here. Let's face it, plans do change, and so can your bookings. Effortlessly adjust reservation details or dates, ensuring you and your guests are always on the same page. Should the need to arise to cancel a booking, we make this process easy and straightforward for both you and the guest, minimizing any inconvenience while maintaining positive relationships. Now, on rare occasions, you may need to report a guest. We treat these matters with the utmost seriousness, ensuring a safe and respectful community for everyone. You can visit our Trust and Safety Center to learn more about all the ways we work to create a safe community. You know by now that the communication is key to becoming a great host. Message your guests directly through Lake.com, providing them with all the information they need for a memorable stay. At Lake.com, we're dedicated to making hosting as rewarding as the experiences that you provide. So thank you for being part of our community. Here's to full calendars all year round and happy guests.